Today we are looking at an Oliver 6048A Destoner. This unit has been put through the shop. We just put the finishing touches on it, tuned it up, went over it, checked all of the wear components. Everything is in good shape. This unit comes with 2 decks. We can see the second deck here. This is for cereal grains. And then this is for larger grains. It would also do a great job on popcorn. I believe this unit was being used to take stones out of black beans. Both of these deck meshes are coated. It has the high wear coating on it. Limits the wear of the mesh. It's a nice feature to have. Again, all of the wear components have been checked. Bearings are good. Everything has been greased and serviced. This unit has been cleaned. This unit is nice and clean. We can see the hopper here, it's in good shape. All of the controls are free and turn easily by hand. We've got our speed adjustment here. In a minute, I will show you how that works. It changes the speed of the deck shake. And then we have our air control here. As you can see, everything turns freely and easily like it should. This unit is powered by a 3-phase electric motor. The bellows is in good shape on this unit. That's this flexible part here that seals in the air chamber. Again, this unit was put through the shop. It's been tuned up. It's in good, serviceable, ready to run condition. We can see the serial tag here. I'm going to hover over this so you can pause it if you'd like. It's an all-around nice unit, ready to install, and it is ready to perform for a long time. Now we are going to fire this unit up for you so you can see it run. Right to life. The motor starts strong, runs strong. We let this unit just sit here and run for over an hour. Everything is working as it should. Got good airflow coming up and through the Destoner deck. I can feel the air on my skin. Shakes back and forth, works as it should. There is some wind, so hopefully that crackling won't bother you too much. Now I'm going to speed the shake up. Now note that in order for this unit to work properly, it has to be bolted to a secure concrete floor or other surface. So it is going to vibrate a little bit when I speed up the shake. Turning this knob here, that makes it shake more. Again, all of the controls work as they should. You can see we've got more agitation on the deck. I can slow it down just by turning the crank the other way. And then of course we have our air control. Everything works as it should. All-around nice unit. Again, it has been tuned up, put through the shop, fully serviced, checked over. This unit is ready to go out and perform. This Destoner and other units like it, larger or smaller, are available through us here at Commodity Traders International. We sell a wide variety of seed, feed, and milling machinery. Thank you for watching.